Hello, so today I'll be unboxing Pink Piece Halftime set. I got the full set over here even though I bought during stock sales because I actually bought the first set from my friend which had an in stock, and then I bought the pre-deposit gift separately from the stock sales. So technically I got a full set here, so let's get started with the unboxing. So first of all, I have this fan. This is from this stock sale, and also this one is also from the stock sale. There's two items. Whee! Okay, and also this quality poster is really good because this poster's quality is very good because it is very thick, and I don't know, I just like it much better than any other poster that I have. And then let's get started. I actually started using the calendar already because I didn't have the time to do the unboxing, so I decided to use the calendar first. This is the calendar, and then we have some stuff here. This is my name. Okay, here we go. So here we have the mini sticker that writes halftime pinkpiece.com, and it's not focusing. Can't see this. Whatever this is, it does not want to focus. Crimson. Even I can't see with my naked eye. Yeah, whatever. That's not important. Okay, so here we have the poster. Gorgeous. Very gorgeous. And ties. So yes, this is the poster. It's A3 sized. Then we have a weapon. It's kind of similar to her Pink Piece slogan that I have from unboxing. And this is a nightmare again. Dreamland Nightmare. And yep. And then we have stickers. How do you open this? Oh, here. Stickers, which are super cute, and it's all pink jean. I love pink jean. Then we have the same soft jean sticker heart. And then we have a electromagnetic sticker here. And we have a fan art postcard. And also, this is the reason why I decided to buy all three books, because I had to have this. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I really needed to have this. This was the pre-deposit gift which I didn't get, so I decided to just buy it, even though it was like another $8 or something, $7 something, around there anyway. So yeah, I needed this to make it a full set. So yep. And then let's get started with the unboxing. So one of it is a stage version, and then we have a off-stage version, and also, fan sign version, and a airport version. So this is the first one. This is the stage version. It's just super pretty. Her photos are very HD, so I really like it, even though it's a mini brochure. I mean, I would love it if it's a 200 pages photo book or something, which also Sensation is dropping. I bought it already, so if you haven't, you can buy it while the Geo is still open. Okay, I should flip. Okay, we need a comeback for this hair, seriously. And then we have Jin. I love Jin. Oh, this is so cute, like seriously. The cutest. And then we have him here. And then we have him being a fan, always having a light stick somewhere. More Jin. And then pink Jin, even though it's not pink hair, it's pink shirt. And then we have epilogue. Blonde Jin. Oh my god, spectacles. Okay. And have some confetti themed. And then we're blowing kisses. Rude. And I missed the page. Oh my god, we have a crying Jin. My heart. And finally, a last one. And this is the onstage version. Okay, I'm done with the onstage version. This is the offstage version. Super cute debut Jin. Debut Jin is fluffy as fuck. Okay, fluffy. More fluff. This one is not fluff anymore. Oh my god, eyeliner. We need a comeback for eyeliners. OT7? No, this is OT5. Then we have army bombs again. Always having army bombs. Oh, this is cute. I love ribbons. Okay, no, JK, I like specs more. Eye contact photos get me. Okay, this is a wink, I think. I don't know. He's winking, but it does not seem like a wink. And then we have him and his quokka. Another pink Jin without pink hair. Without pink hair. What the hell was I doing? Okay, now we have the actual pink Jin. Oh my god, same face. Do you want kisses or do you want flowers? I want both. And this is the end of the offstage version, and finally we have the airport version, which is also my favorite version. Ha 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 ha. This is so damn boyfriend. Spectacles. Yes. His shoulders are seriously so broad. Too broad. I don't know. It's probably not a bad thing. It's a good thing, of course. We have more spectacles, glasses, shades. Oh, I love him in pink coats actually. It suits him a lot. Then we have a mask and the return of the round glasses. More round glasses. The shades. And then we have mask. Glasses again. And then we have coats. I like coats a lot. And this one is the one where he was going to the jungle. Yep, the jungle. And this one, oh my god, what is this? I think everybody needed that close up. I think Hiroso. Yes, this is very important. And we are at the end of the 3 brochures, which is so pretty. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it here as background. Oh my god, this is stupid. Why are you flipping our... Wait. Yay, okay, I did something and it did the trick. Alright, then now we have the calendar. I'm going to flip one side first before I move to the other. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Okay, July is my favorite month now. August. September is also my favorite month now. October, November, and December. And some extra photos. This is so cute. And then we have the entire thing. Okay. And now to the other side. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Oh my god, this is so suitable for December. And then we have some extra photos. This is super nice. And we have an overview of every photo used. And yep, that is all for this unboxing. Oops, I just shifted my camera. Okay, so if you like this unboxing, please give it a thumb. Should I put this here? Okay. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'll see you in the next unboxing. Bye bye.